Good afternoon. I'm Taryn Krista, Martin County Administrator. Thank you for joining us for the Monday, May 4th weekday update. Today, I want to review the board's direction from Friday's meeting and some highlights of the Governor's Phase 1 Safe, Smart, Step-by-Step plan for Florida's recovery. Last Friday, our board lifted restrictions on beaches and racket sports, requiring participants to follow CDC guidelines for social distancing. We also eliminated restrictions on county-owned boat ramps, requiring adherence to CDC guidelines for social distancing and FWC rules for all recreational boats. Additionally, the Commission voted to open public restrooms and pavilions at parks and relaxed restrictions for some park activities. You can find detailed information about this on our website. The board also directed staff to find other options for the public to provide public comment at board meetings. Meetings continue to be open to the public, and in addition to in-person public comment, there are now 2 ways to provide comment remotely by online form and phone. Commenters who wish to provide a verbal comment by phone are asked to call the number on the screen and leave their name, phone number, meeting date, and agenda item number for which they'd like to provide comment. On the specified meeting date, a county staff member will call the commenter back during the public comment time. Registration for a public comment call will be accepted until 8:45 a.m. the day of the meeting. Commenters will be given 3 minutes to provide verbal comment to the board. To provide public comment online, you can find the form on our website. Commenters simply provide their name, the item they wish to comment on, enter up to 5,000 characters of text, and then click Submit. During the meeting, county staff will read the message into the record, limited to 3 minutes per the county's established public comment procedure. The online comments for an item must be submitted prior to the end of the public comment period for that item to be read into the record. And as a reminder, commenters will be allowed to provide comment on each item only once, whether comments are in person, written, or over the phone. Now let's look at some specifics of the Phase 1 of the Governor's new order. Similar to the previous executive orders, local counties and municipalities can enact more restrictive orders, but not less restrictive. Our board and county staff have been receiving many questions about whether local businesses can open, and if so, what that looks like. Let's walk through this information one topic at a time, based on the Governor's order and frequently asked questions. If your business was open during the Safer at Home order, it may remain open. What businesses may now open under Phase 1? Restaurants are allowed to reopen with restrictions on seating capacity. Restaurants may have outdoor seating that adheres to appropriate social distancing guidelines and limits groups to 10 people or fewer. Indoor seating is allowed at 25% of the building occupancy. On-site retail businesses are now allowed to operate at 25% occupancy. Businesses that can comply are encouraged to provide delivery or pickup and takeout orders online or by phone. All businesses should continue appropriate social distancing and sanitation measures. So what businesses remain closed? The Governor has reinforced that bars, nightclubs, and gyms will remain closed during Phase 1 of reopening. While personal care services such as barbershops and salons with close contact should remain closed, the portions of those businesses with on-site retail sales may reopen at 25% building occupancy. As we move into the recovery phase, protecting the health and safety of our employees, residents, and visitors remains the county's primary goal. We will continue to do what we can to protect the community, and we ask everyone to do the same. Wear masks when in public, thoroughly wash your hands, and keep your distance around others. Together, we will approach new challenges with resilience and sustainability to protect that which is most precious to us. Together, we can get through this. Together, we can move our community forward. Together, we are Martin. Thank you for watching.